More and more parents these days are making the conscientious decision to work with a private tutor to give their children the advantage of year-round literacy support. They recognize that literacy skills create the basis of all education and career success. Here are 6 reasons why your child needs a literacy specialist from the Reading Ranch. We keep throwing the word specialists around, and for good reason. While there are many great centers out there, most focus on providing curriculum for all subjects at all grade levels. The Reading Ranch specializes in only reading, phonics, fluency, spelling, vocabulary, and comprehension enrichment for kids in pre-K through 6th grade. Reading Ranch was founded by Dr. Kim Southwell, who has a PhD in reading education. We only hire the best tutors and teachers. They are required to successfully implement our interactive curriculum. Rather than utilizing a drill and kill worksheet structure, our interactive approach uses multi-sensory teaching: visual, auditory, tactile, etc. One-on-one time. As great as our school systems are, it can be difficult with bargaining class sizes to get the one-on-one time. Reading Ranch specialists deliver on the missing piece while also offering a small learning environment with only 2 to 3 students per teacher. The Reading Ranch supports reading development year-round to fill those gaps and ensure our kiddos don't fall behind. Reading Ranch specialists have a passion for what they do. We make reading and writing fun. We want parents involved. This relationship promotes trust, fosters additional learning strategies and feedback, and bridges the gap between what's happening at school and at home. Enrich your child with the gift of a strong foundation of early literacy. Contact the Reading Ranch today for your free trial class and see what makes us the premier literacy program in the country. www.readingranch.com